Hi, welcome to Crochet Jewel channel. I'm going to show you how to make this cute crochet strawberry applique, and I used medium worsted yarn and a G hook. The pattern is down below in the description and the comments. If this is your first time with certain stitches, I have a playlist for beginner stitches. Okay, so let's get started. If this video is too fast, you can place it in slow motion. I have a link down below on how to do that. So I'm going to slip knot onto my hook and chain 4. And then work a double crochet in that first chain. So yarn over, insert my hook, and then grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, and then repeat for 2 more double crochet. Now I'm going to work 3 treble crochet in the same chain, yarn over twice, insert your hook, grab the yarn over, pull through 2 loops, and then yarn over and pull through 2 loops, yarn over and pull through 2 more loops, and repeat for 2 more treble crochet. Now work 4 double crochet and then slip stitch. Now insert your hook, grab the yarn and pull through, then fasten off. Now with green yarn, slip stitch into the hole and chain 4 for your leaves. I'm going to make 3 of them. Slip stitch into the second chain from the hook and slip stitch into the next 2 after that. Slip stitch into the hole and repeat for a chain 4 and your slip stitches for 2 more times, and then you can fasten off. Now you're going to take your yarn needle and weave in all of your ends in the back. Now with white yarn, you're going to add little white dash marks. I double threaded it and then tied it at the end, and I'm going to just add a few dash marks. You can add as many as you like with your yarn needle. Now weave in all of your ends in the back and fasten off. I hope you enjoyed this crochet strawberry, and I also just made a strawberry hat if you'd like to take a look at that. Thank you for watching, and if you haven't already, please subscribe.